Hi parents. So for today's assignment, I will show you how to view the choice board. We are going to go do one very important step that you will have to do just one time. You won't have to do this every time you view an assignment. So on the right side, you can see lessons or assignments. You can see on Monday, if I hover over Monday lesson, it says PE. So it looks like Coach posted a lesson or video that you can view. And then for Tuesday, there is a reading choice board. So I'm going to click on that. And here is a description of the assignment. So we're going to select a book and listen to it. And then we are going to decide whether you chose that book for enjoyment or to learn something new. So it says a choice board, but I don't see a choice board on here. So I'm going to go to my document. And here is where I need to connect. So I'm going to put connect. And it's going to ask me for my child's email address. So I'm going to type in the address. Next. And you can pause this video as you go through the steps. So now I'm going to put allow. And I'm just going to wait. Should pop up. There it goes. So I just waited. I didn't click on anything else. And here is the choice board. So we're going to choose a book was today's assignment. So I want to choose The Kissing Hand. So I will hover over, click, and a link will pop up. So I'm going to click on the link. And then I can listen to the story. Okay. When you are done, your child can tell you what book did they choose, and did they choose it for enjoyment because they like it, or did they choose it for information. When they are done telling you, then all you have to do is click on submit assignment. There is no need to create a video or type in anything. So I'm simply going to put submit assignment. Yes, submit, and I will get a notification that you viewed the assignment or that you did the assignment. Now, not all assignments will be like this, but for this one, I just wanted to show you that very important step of connecting to the OneDrive. And again, you will only have to do this one time. You will not have to do this every time that there is this type of assignment. If you need any help or if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out. Thank you.